Look at this right here. New York Supreme Court reinstates all employees for being unvaccinated. U.S. Supreme Court ruling: COVID vaccines are not vaccines. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. won his. Go ahead, Robert Kennedy Jr. Oh, you make your daddy so proud. Oh, you make your mama so proud. He won his lawsuit against all pharmaceutical lobbyists. COVID-19 vaccines are not vaccines. In its decision, the Supreme Court confirms that the damage caused by COVID mRNA gene therapies is irreparable. Since the Supreme Court is the highest court in the United States, there is no further appeals, and all avenues of appeal has been exhausted. In a statement, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. stressed that this success was only possible thanks to the international cooperation of a large number of lawyers and scientists. Of course, this ruling sets an international precedent, especially in Switzerland. This ruling should have an impact because Switzerland has a special position with its federal constitution. On the one hand, it is listed in the Nuremberg Code in Article 118B of the Constitution, and in Switzerland, the misuse of genetic engineering on humans is prohibited to Article 119 of the Federal Constitution. This is supplemented by Article 23 BIS of their criminal code, and this means that perpetrators risk spending up to 10 years in prison. However, this historic ruling should also give pause to the rest of the world because the Nuremberg Code is internationally valid and is also contained in Article 7 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. In the case of criminal charges, the declaration should refer to the Contergan scandal to give special weight to the importance of such charges or accusations. In these cases, the German lawyer Rainer Fuchsmich and more than 100 other German lawyers are actively involved. No media outlet is talking about it, neither in Switzerland nor in Europe. Unfortunately, it is almost mathematical that being a disruptive issue capable of upsetting the financial and economic plans of the powerful pharmaceutical lobbies. Public opinion is not informed. We are in the middle of a promotional campaign aimed at exciting people to get vaccinated and then get vaccinated again in view of the coming winter. It is very likely that if news of the historic ruling ever circulates, it will do so late to allow the corrupt medical class align with the positions of the pharmaceutical lobbies to advance as far as possible with the vaccination campaign. Let us therefore invite all honest and well-intended people to give maximum publicity to this historic ruling of the Supreme Court of the United States for our own good, but above all for the good of our children and grandchildren. Let us not allow the lobbyists to irremediably ruin our health and endanger our lives. Let us promote rebellion against the dirty and unpunished death business. And here is the link itself. So this is going on my page. This was published October 25th. The court found that Monday that being vaccinated does not prevent an individual from contracting or transmitting COVID-19. New York City fired roughly 1,700 employees for being unvaccinated early this year. Many of those fired were police officers and firefighters. Yeah, this is going on my page. I'm going to copy these links so that you can read this more thoroughly yourself. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to do my due diligence and put it out there for the public to know and be aware. And apparently this is not just a U.S. thing, as I just read to you. This is an international thing. So this affects everybody in the world. share this, and we're going to spread our own information and news that is not being heavily circulated. We're going to circulate it ourselves. We can do this now. Come on, people. I'm trusting in the good of humanity. We got this.